Hey guys, let's unbox one of my very exciting purchases. I was so excited when the order came and I could not wait to unbox it. That's why I took whatever was handy, and that's the reason I have a big knife in my hand. Anywho, this is the user guide slash menu, and then we have the warranty card, and now we're gonna unveil the beauty. Ta-da! OMG, I wanted one of these since forever, and I'm so glad that I bought it. And now you can see in the video that I'm trying to do the aesthetic unwrapping kind of thing, which is a total fail. Anywho, the air fryer comes with a basket which is non-stick, and it also comes with a removable tray which is also non-stick, and it has a plastic body but the insides are completely non-stick, as I mentioned. And I'm gonna try it out for the very first time with y'all. So I have some chicken marinated, and I also bought these air fryer paper, which are basically baking paper or baking sheet. So I'm gonna place two of them, and I'm gonna place the marinated chicken inside. And now I'm gonna start the air fryer, and let me tell you, M stands for menu, and we have a variety of options to choose from. So the first one is preheating, second one is french fries, third one is meat, and we're gonna go for the fourth one since it's drumsticks, and it says 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. So we're gonna wait for 20 minutes. I was actually supposed to flip it after 10 minutes, but I'm 2 minutes late. So this is what it looks like after 12 minutes of air frying. It looks over fried, a little bit of burnt, and not very appealing to me, honestly. But anywho, I'm just gonna try and flip them over because, as you can see, the other side is uncooked. So I'm just gonna flip them all and fry them for another 8 minutes. So I'm just gonna start it again and wait for another 8 minutes. And now we are done, so let's see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like after 20 complete minutes. It does not look very appealing to me yet, but when I tasted it was fine. It was not bad, but will get better. And that's all for today. I'll see you in the next one.